Yeah, this full greetings, my dear followers who keep up with me. First of all, I count on ask you if you haven't followed me yet. Please click on follow and share so that others can also see this video. We are currently in Burundi country for a visit to observe a donating environment and a local village. You see, the fountain is made up of many trees and various houses. Yeah, you see how they propage for construction. So, please keep following us so we can continue showing you more praise and different video. Thank you. Yeah, you see the different herbs to nature. Yeah, you see the big bricks of conviction, the big bricks of conviction. Yeah, the Burundi is very well rich. The Burundi is the country very well of the nature. Yeah, you see the house, the different house. Yeah,